Can we turn left here?
No. Oh yeah, you can.
Yeah. What was your clue?
The cars.
The way the cars are parked? Okay, just be prepared here. We're going to turn right between these two buildings. And it's a two-way laneway. Yeah. Might have to share it with a large vehicle.
Oh.
Fun. I'm going to show you something I've discovered in Toronto when I was in Toronto. There's a lot of little laneways, right? You can use as shortcuts. So
This is a two-way?
yeah, this is a two-way. Because if you look at the end, there's only one stop sign on the corner. And if you look behind you, there's a stop sign there, right? For someone going the other way. But I'm going to show you a little trick I discovered in Toronto when I was coming out of laneways. There we go. There we go. So we're going to go straight at the stop sign.
Okay.
And in Toronto, there's a sea of pedestrians and cyclists on the sidewalks, right? So you definitely want to stop before it, the sidewalk, and then look across the street. You'll see the reflection of that person right over here. You can use the windows to your advantage.
Oh.
Yeah. Silly little trick, but it works. It really works. And then at the next stop sign, we're going to turn left. And again, I'm thinking about those motorized scooters on the sidewalks. They'll be coming out soon. And they fly, man. They just barrel it. Excellent. Okay, let's make a left turn down this next street here. Is this the correct choice of lane?
Yeah, no. No.
You're correct. No. Now we're going to keep going straight here. But you see how easy it is, though, because you're wired for turning into the right lane. So before you turn, just identify it first. Identify the street first.
Sure can.